Managing experiments within SaberRD is straightforward using the Experiments tool. The Experiments tool is where you view and open existing experiments, create new experiments, export and import experiments, delete experiments, and open experiment results. Let's take a look at how this is done. To begin, move the mouse over the Experiments tab on the right-hand side of the screen. You are immediately presented with a list of existing experiments that are associated with the current design. Once an experiment is selected, you can double-click on it or press the Open Experiment icon to open it. The New Experiment button is used to create a new experiment for the design. Another video is available that provides details for how to create new experiments. The Experiments tool also has the ability to export and import experiments. This is useful when you need to send an experiment to someone else or when you want to use an experiment that was defined using one design with a different design. Take note, however, that if an experiment refers to anything that is specific to the design, it will need to be modified when it is imported into a different design. Examples of things that are design-specific include parameters that are altered in the design or signals that are measured. When you export an experiment, it will expect an extension of AI_EXPT. When I import an experiment, it looks for a file with the same extension and allows you to import it. You'll notice that I now have a fourth example of an experiment. Once an experiment has been run, the results of that experiment are saved on disk and can be opened without having to rerun the experiment. This is done by selecting an experiment and then clicking the Open Results icon. This will open the results in the Results tool on the left-hand side of SaberRD. Double-clicking on any one of the results will view it in the MDI region. As you continue to explore SaberRD's Experiment Analyzer, look for additional videos that provide detailed instructions for creating new experiments, performing fault analysis within the Experiment Analyzer, using variables within the Experiment Analyzer, and using the Experiment Analyzer to build up pass-fail reports.